Adding pages and editing the site layout of a Google site. So the first thing you're going to do on the Chrome opening page here, this series of, you've got 9 squares in a grid. You click on this, allows you to actually look at different kind of Google apps that you've got working there. So click on Sites, so that will actually take you to Google Sites. Then you need to click on, let's say I'm going to pick physics site, the IG physics site, for instance. So there you go, you get your template page. This is going to be here. If I want page 1, if I want that to become my first topic, so this is going to be my first topic, second topic, so on. So let's say just call it general physics. So I click on page 1, and if I want to change that, change the name of it, it's going to start to become a topic now. So all I got to do is type in here, change that to general physics, and save, because you do need to save in Google Sites. Remember, don't ever press delete, because bad things happen if you press delete. Bad things happen. It hasn't changed, so if you hit refresh or Command R, now it is general physics, and you can go through changing all those pages, and you can work out where your topics are going to go and give it the structure you want to give it. If I want to add a page, let's say general physics has more topics in than the other thing, I want to add a page to that, then you have to create page. So you just press C, actually you'll create a page. Click C, alternatively click on the add page button. So let's say your first topic was speed and motion. The speed and motion goes in there, and we'll create that page. So if that page has been created, so you've got the speed and motion page there, and it allows you to edit it if you want to put a little preamble in there. But all we want to do right now is save the page. So I'm going to save the page. And you can also Command S. If you're wondering what meta means, it just means Command S in this case. It just helps you save a bit quicker. So that's your speed and motion page. So once you've created the page, you now need to edit the site to say where is it going to go in the site, and we want speed and motion to go under this general physics heading. So we then click on a different icon, which is the cog icon. So click on that, and you can do lots of things here. They're quite dramatic, like delete the site, or you can share it with a colleague, and you can all contribute to the pages. Here, what I'm going to do here, we're going to edit site layout, and it says at the top here, click on the parts of the site you want to edit. So you have to go carefully here, because it can get a bit confusing if you're not used to it. You actually, because I don't want to edit other things. I want to, when I mouse over the horizontal navigation, okay, it changes color, and then you simply click on it, and now you're editing the horizontal navigation. You're changing the layout of the pages. So what we need to do is add a page, and there's a huge amount of pages being created. So a shortcut is my recent changes, and I wanted to add speed and motion in, so I'll just click on speed and motion, and OK. Now that's been added into the top box now. So speed and motion is highlighted. Okay, so you click on it, but it's already highlighted, so I don't need to. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to actually scroll up and find where I want to put it. So I actually want to put it under general physics. Now you tap the up button, so you just raise up the page to the position you want. You do have to tap it a lot, because a lot of pages it takes a little while. So I'm going to click it loads. There's hundreds of pages, so this bit is a bit laborious. So you get to the top, and because this is indented, it means that right under general physics you'll have speed and motion. If I wanted speed and motion further down, the drop down, I'd put it there. If I wanted, for instance, speed and motion to go under the second topic heading, I would have to put it further down, like further down the page. So if I wanted it to go under 2, or it's under 3 now, So you just play around with where you want your pages to go on the website. So we want that under general physics, so I'm just going to raise it up, keep raising it up. And there it's under general physics, but it's not directly under. If it was over here, it would be the next page, and we don't want that. So you've got to be careful here, because if they're moved over, if they're indented slightly, that means they're in the drop down. If they're in bold like that, page 2 will be the next topic, and this will be in the drop down. So I'm going to raise that up to speed and motion. I'm going to put that at the top there, and then I'm just going to click OK. And close that. Now if I go over to general physics, now speed and motion's under general physics. So now you've got a very simple website that you can just manipulate, and you can add in pages, you can take them away. Obviously some topics will have more drop downs than others, and that's how you edit it. So, you know, in summary, you go to more actions, or simply click on the cog, and then you edit site layout. You have to click on this part, this bar, and then you need to add the page and move the page around to put it where you want in your website.